Welcome back to the Subbu and Sree channel. If you're new to our channel, I'm Sree. We recently did a major house extension and renovation, and we are sharing our experience through this channel. We received a lot of requests from viewers to show the finished product, so we decided to do this house tour for you. As the work was completed recently, the house is like a blank canvas and we are adding more decor. This video is the first one in the house tour series, and I will show you the ground floor and how we are using the new space. If you would like to see our house, then please keep watching. Shall we get started? Welcome to our house. Come on in. You are now with me in the hallway, and I want to show you my Buddha surrounded by greens. Do you like this arrangement? Let me turn around and show you the main door. We changed our rosewood door as part of the extension to this aluminium door. This one has a side light and a frosted glass panel, and it gives a contemporary look, and we are really pleased with it. Towards the left, you can see a newly fitted storage area for coats and shoes. I'm very particular that shoes are stored near the entrance, so kids don't bring the shoes further into the hallway. Now let me show you the seating area. So initially we planned to have an additional fitted storage unit here. But then if we do that, then the place will become narrow. So we dropped the idea. So what we did is we bought some loose furniture from IKEA, and this is a simple bookshelf and two separate cubes, and we have used it as a soft seating area. We want to buy some colorful bench cushions, but for now, Subbu has used his DIY skills and created this soft seating. He's so proud of this. Once we are sure we are happy with this arrangement, we'll buy some colorful bench cushions. We've tried to use the storage boxes for the things we need when we go out. We have wash socks, bike helmets, umbrellas, all these are stored in these boxes, and so it's quite handy when we go out. This sort of simple modular furniture is working really well. I keep changing the way it looks. A few weeks back, this was the arrangement. Let me show the hallway near the entrance a bit better to picturize the space now. If you remember the original plan I showed in episode 4, we had a cloakroom here. We removed this and this has opened up the space. Hope you can picturize it. Shall we now go into the new space created by converting the garage? As this is the northeast corner of the house, we are using this as a puja cum study room. Let's go in. On the right, you can see the door to the wet room. You can also see the Nest underfloor heating control for this zone of the house. We have painted this room with Dulex mint macaroon color to give a different look. It's actually very pleasant to the eyes. My camera is not doing justice to this beautiful color though. We haven't bought a beautiful mandir for the puja yet, so we're using this arrangement for now. When we do the puja, this is how it looks, and I recharge myself here in the evening. Let us come back to the hallway now. We are now seeing the stairs that lead to the first floor. We wanted the hallway to have an oak and crepe theme. So you can see oak wood handrail, base rail, balusters, and oak wood doors. On the right, you can see the cinema cum lounge, and straight through is the open kitchen diner. We have used the space under the stairs for storage, and it is really very useful. We have an extra storage for coats here, and in the others we have office bags, school bags, other office and school kit. We use the smaller space for sports bags. When I open, you can see the badminton kit in there. Let's look at the cinema room now. This is Subbu's favorite space. room and it is quiet. These are the comfy sofas we bought recently, and this room is full of speakers. You would have seen the rear speakers. Now we can see the front speakers, and there are also speakers on the ceiling. This is our old TV, which we kept here for casual watching. You can see the retractable projector screen and the projector. Subbu did a lot of work to configure this room, so he will do a detailed video in the upcoming weeks. Now let's see my favorite part of the house. Ta-da! Okay, let's now look at the seating area and the kids' play area. We have added an IKEA cube unit for storing toys, books, stationery, all the things kids need for their activities and play. As we don't sit on the floor during the day, we try and use the space to sit down and play as a family in the evening. Since we have underfloor heating in the ground floor throughout, it's nice and warm. Now let's move around and you can see the TV. We have kept the TV on another IKEA bookshelf for now. Let's now look at my plant corner. I have placed my plants on marble plant stands and I love their golden legs. It goes very well with the theme of this room. You can see my little one sitting on the window seat and on the swing and watching TV. That's her favorite place. Our plan is to have a traditional Indian swing here, something like this. For now though, kids are enjoying in the swinging chair. Let me now show you the bifold doors and the big feature windows. We installed them as part of this extension and they give a wide garden view. I'll capture this one day when it's bright and show it in another video. Did you see the inline blinds? We opted for this as we wanted to avoid using curtains in this room. These blinds can be adjusted easily using magnetic runners and they look very nice. This is our new kitchen with the island. This island is the most used space in our house after the extension. We are around here most part of the day. Kids like to sit here to study, draw and do their activities. We've gone for a granite worktop and I love their golden lines. Regarding the splashback, we are planning to do a glass splashback across the whole area which are currently covered in yellow. I will show you once this is done. Ah, my pendants! They're so beautiful and add a splash of color to my kitchen. I will do a detailed kitchen tour in the upcoming videos. I will also try and do a separate fridge tour. Let me now go behind the island and show you the family area. As you can see from here, we have a seamless TV viewing experience during cooking. Also, there is open space for the kids to do active play on their Xbox. Oh yeah, now the roof windows. We have two Velex windows installed as we went for pitched roof. The one in the kitchen area is electric. I will show you how this works in the kitchen tour. These windows are brilliant. They bring natural light in different angles throughout the day and brighten up every nook and corner of this room. I adore them. Let me show the kitchen in different colors now. Let's now look at the utility area. It's not fully done yet. We have to do the tiling. There is a secondary sink and a towel rail on top. It is really handy to hand wash and dry the clothes in the towel rail. The water softener is under the sink. There is access to the wet room from here. We have space for appliances, laundry and additional kitchen utensils. You can see additional storage here. Let me show you. Yeah, you can see the depth now. Depth of the space. It does look a little empty. I'm sure it will fill up soon. Our washer and dryer are below, so I don't have to go to the garage in the cold to do the washing anymore. Let's now go into the wet room. Oh, I love these tiles. There is a story behind these tiles. I'll tell you in another video. There is also access to this bedroom from guest bedroom. That's our ground floor after the extension. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Has this been useful? If it is, can you please like and add your comments below. Also, please let us know if it will be useful for you to see the first floor and loft as well. We will try and cover that in another video. Thanks again for watching. If you have not subscribed yet, please don't forget to do so to show your support to our channel. Until I see you in the next video, have a fab time. Bye-bye.